Hey, we're going to factor another quadratic. It's 2c squared minus 2c minus 24. And the first thing we can do here is notice that we have a 2, and a 24, and we can factor out a 2 before we ever get started. Now this is a 2 that we get to keep. So if we pull a 2 out, we will have 2 times c squared minus c, and then minus 12. So we have something a little bit simpler to factor. So in this case, a would be 1, b would be negative 1, and c would be negative 12. So continuing these steps, then I am in a step 2 where I need two things that multiply together, give me a times c, which in this case would be negative 12. So two things that multiply together give me negative 12 and add up to be b, or negative 1. So let's see, this will be, I believe, negative 4 and positive 3. Guess that's my combination. So I'll put that back together with c minus 4 times c plus 3. No extra went in there, so there's nothing to throw out in a step 4. But this 2 up here is going to make its way back into step 5. So remember, step 5 was if anything came out in the first step, we're going to put it back. So we can write it as 2 times c minus 4 times c plus 3. So if there's no step 1, there's no step 5 really, and vice versa. All right, thank you.